banana. Naku! Kaya si auntie ko ba yung kiwi na wali ubaw eh. Sabor-sabor.
Kasi mo rin yung kulitan.
Kita mo ah. Mary, oh. What is this? What is this?
Flower.
A flower?
That a long flower. Egg.
Decoration?
Yeah.
But decoration?
Open.
Then open that one! Later! Sige ka, if you will mix it, nako, Dracula will get that.